Hello friends, welcome to my channel BeUipathChamp. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to read values from data table, which is Excel. So friend, I'm going to tell you in this video 4 ways to read the data from Excel. 4 ways. So let's start. So I have created four sequence to read data from data table. There are 4 ways. These are the ways. So first I'm going to show you the demo one by one. Let's start with the demo. So first it will read the data. So it down. Right. So here is my data. It read all the data. This was the first way, and let me show you the second way. Here is the second way. It will also read all the data. Now third way. See 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the last way is something different. It will highlight the data which is which is you know which you select, which you want to select from data table. See, it is showing 1 of ID Manish. It's showing Manish ID, which is 1, and it will close the data. Here what I did, I want to read the ID where name equal to Manish. So the fourth way was to read the specific data. I'll show you in the detail. Let's start. I'm starting with the first way, how I did it. So first way is this. I have taken the Excel application scope. I read the data from my stored data here. Then I take I took read range and store the data table in a variable called dt. And friends, please try to check add headers always. It denotes that you have the data, you have the sorry, not data, you have the headers. After that I took for each row, which I trade the data for, I trade the each row in data table. And then I took get row item, and get row item, and I stored that row data in variable called name, and I'm populating that data in message box. Here were more thing. I took get row item, and after that I have given the name in column name, which is name. Here you can see my column name, or not my column name is name. So I have given column name. This is the first way to read the data from Excel. First we will give the column name, then row the data table, and I stored the output in name variable, and it is showing the name. Then I took one more row item, get row item, and in the column name I have written is id in each row, and I took output as a variable called id, and same I populating the id in message box. Now I will show you the second way. Second way is in this same like first way. I have taken excel application scope and read the data, excel data in here. I took read range. After taking read range, I stored that data table also in dt, the same variable. Check the add headers, and after that I took for each row activity, and I trade the for each row in data table. Now see, this is the second way. I took row column name dot to string, and in message box row column name dot to string. It will I trade the data from data table. So this is the second way. We can read the data from name, row name, column name. So this was the second way. Now this is the third way. The third way is we can take the column index. The everything was same. Excel application is scope, read range, for each row activity. Then in message box we are populating the data from data table through column index. Here my column index is 0, so I have taken 0 index, row 0, column index is 0 dot to string, and row column index 1 dot to string, and my column 1 is column 1 index is id. So it is showing the data from column 1 and column 2. So we are taking data from column index. So this was the third way. Now I'm going to tell you the fourth way, how I took the data, how I took specific data from data table. Suppose I want the id of Rohit, which is 2. How do I get it? So nothing to do, just this everything would be same. We take excel application scope, we read the excel table, excel data, and then in do section we will take read range. After read range we store data in a data table, data in data table. Then I took a sign activity, and then I took variable called first name, and written this method. Let me expand this. So there I have used a method called select method. I have taken data table name, which we have previously stored in a data table, dot select, then column name. Here column name was name, so I took name equal to Manish. So what I want here, I want Rohit Rohit's ID, which is 2. So I will take here, I will write here Rohit. Name, column name equal to Rohit. Column name is name equal to what? Rohit. Here we just you have if you have used Excel, there is a function called offset. We just use that function, like 0 index is our current column, current column 0 index is our current column, and 1 is our offset, second column, dot to string. Now it will show the message. Now I have changed the name to Rohit. Now it will show me the ID 2. Let's see it working or not. Run the file. See guys, here we got the answer. The Rohit's ID is 2. So there are 4 ways guys to read the Excel data in UiPath. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thanks.